In this video I'm gonna show you if you have a clip like this and you have deleted the audio, like this clip is bigger than this one, this clip is bigger, but if you have, I have cutted this part here, but it is the original clip, but I have cut it in this part. If you have deleted this audio file from here and you only need this cut, this much, the audio only, but not entire clip, like this clip is bigger than this, but you don't need full audio, you just need this file as it is, you need just this audio file. How can you get that? You just need to select this clip here and type F on your keyboard. So you can see here the clip, only which part I have cutted here in this clip, it is showing here. You just need to click here and drag the audio into the timeline. So you can see the audio is taken. It is exactly timing, the same timing clip, which one you can also from here you can link that. So your clip will be with your audio as it is.